Rainforest Rhythm.
Yes, they will fight for those wars, but they won't fight for our people. Yes, our people are victims of genocide. Generation of killing. Give us back. Give us back our land. Who I say give us back? Give us back our land. Wars, but they won't fight for our people. Yes, our people, victims of genocide, generation of killing.
Thank you, thank you. This next song we'll sing for you is called Shark Attack. It's from Steel Pulse. Wailing Souls? Yeah. Oh, yeah, Wailing Souls. And yeah, give us a 1, 2, 3.
cloaks and dagger walls, losing what you fighting for. Clap back, giving me the double attack. So step back, here comes a shark attack. So clap back, giving me the double attack. So step back, here comes a shark attack. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. So you will da da, oh yeah. Push you will da da, oh yeah. Push you will da da, oh yeah. You will da da, oh yeah. Yeah, clap back, giving you the double attack. So step back, here comes a shark attack. So clap back, hitting with a double attack. So step back, here comes a shark attack.
That was
All right. All right. Last song we're gonna do for you is it's called "Keep Moving." It's an original from us. It's one for the crowd. Don't be afraid to dance. You know.